Welcome to our explainer. Today, we're tackling a massive question every homeowner asks. How long will your fridge actually last? Let's treat your fridge like a patient. We're going to diagnose its lifespan, symptoms, and how to cure it.
The short answer, most refrigerators will reliably run for about 12 to 15 years.
But brand totally matters. Bosch and KitchenAid boast 17 to 19 years, while Samsung averages 10 to 12. The exception? Premium built-in models can truly go the distance, lasting up to 20 whole years. Okay, let's play doctor. How do you actually know when your fridge is on its last legs?
Watch for these 5 symptoms. Number 1, your groceries are spoiling way faster than normal.
Second symptom, you spot mysterious water puddles pooling up inside or right underneath the unit.
Symptom 3, your once quiet fridge is suddenly making some really loud, aggressive banging or grinding noises.
Fourth sign, you get a massive unexplained spike in your electric bill, and nothing else changed. And the fifth final sign is seeing thick, stubborn layers of ice building up inside your freezer. So here's the deal. If you spot 2 or more of these signs, call a technician immediately. Let's talk prevention. The good news? Simple, everyday habits can seriously extend your fridge's life. First, vacuum those coils behind your fridge every 6 months. Second, always replace your water filter on schedule. Keep your fridge perfectly between 35 and 38 degrees, and the freezer right at 0. Want to try a clever trick? It's called the dollar bill test. Just close your fridge door on a bill. If that dollar pulls out easily, your seal is failing. You gotta replace it to trap the cold. Even with great care, machines age. So what happens when those unavoidable repairs finally hit? This is where Liberty Home Guard steps in, covering your fridge repairs or replacement up to $2,000. That means you're totally protected. You'll never get stuck paying a massive, stressful, surprise repair bill again. To protect your home right now, visit libertyhomeguard.com and get your free quote today.